Hey, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you struggling with allergies this season? Let me show you how this right here has helped my husband tremendously. I was looking for real medicine made clean for my family, and that's just what I found with Genexa Allergy Care. I really appreciate how this company has no artificial ingredients. The pills are chewable, which is a plus because you don't need any water. They're very easy to get down and they taste like açaí, very flavor. They are very pleasant, not hard to take at all. My husband suffers from allergies, so he was so appreciating this because they have no side effects. He can take them and he can still work or study without feeling drowsy. He usually takes this every 6 to 7 hours and he feels like they start to work within 30 minutes. These have no lactose, no gluten, and they're non-GMO. We highly recommend them. Genexa Allergy Care is a must in your cabinet. They have 60 chewable tablets. They're gonna work wonderful, but that's just our point of view.